A few years ago, we embarked on this project of creating a product called Magic Bullet Film. It was an effort on our part to do a film emulation tool that was as useful and creatively friendly as the Magic Bullet tools are kind of known for being. And in the very earliest days of Magic Bullet Looks, we had this idea kind of under the hood that was based on kind of my dual careers as a director and kind of color aficionado and a VFX artist. I felt like because of my history with visual effects, I had this understanding about how film worked and how we could kind of emulate certain organic processes in a digital way. So Magic Bullet Looks itself was really designed around this idea of kind of simulating a film camera. We had the model of adding filters and emulating processes like bleach bypass and all of that. But what we didn't have for years was any sort of attempt to model actual specific film stocks. So on one glorious day, we had this amazing shoot where we capitalized on the fact that a friend of mine who's been commercial director for a very long time just had this refrigerator full of short ends of film that he had been kind of hoarding for literally decades. And we were able to get together almost every kind of representative film stock from Kodak and Fuji, a bunch that had been even discontinued, and do this incredible shoot where we had these color charts and models and really kind of cataloged and captured not only all these film stocks, but also different film processes as well. So we were able to do a skip bleach. We were able to push the film stocks and pull them, which I can talk about a little bit, and result in Magic Bullet Film, which is not only a standalone plugin that works. I'm here in After Effects, but this works in Premiere and Final Cut Pro and Resolve. But these also became tools that work in Magic Bullet Looks as well. So you can kind of integrate it into the whole Magic Bullet Looks process, and I'm going to talk about that as well. We did a few things. We kind of did a kind of a baseline, simple neutralization of this color cast that different stocks had based on things like their sensitivity to tungsten versus daylight light and that kind of thing. And then we carefully ran it through a process of mapping these known color charts into what ultimately become a series of advanced lookup tables that are kind of wrapped up in a process that then I think the real zhuzh of it is that we also then add this idea of getting some artistic control onto it.